This is Exam 1, Part B, Question 8, and in this portion of my explanation I'll be going over how I arrived at my answer and why my answer is incorrect. So the question wanted us to find an estimate of a firm's total standard deviation, and we were given the line residual standard deviation and then the r-squared value. So the equation that I used was from the book. It's on page 281 in Chapter 8, and it's just an equation for the standard deviation of a firm when you're given the residual standard deviation. And then the equation is standard deviation equals the line residual standard deviation squared divided by 1 minus the r-squared value, and then all of that you're taking the square root or raising it to the 1/2 power. So how I arrived at my answer, my final answer was 75.6%, and I did 0.3949, which is the line residual standard deviation, divided by 1 minus 0.3090, that value being the r-squared value, and then I raised all of that to the 1/2 power, or took the square root of it. And so my final answer was 75.6. And the only thing that I did wrong, as you probably noticed, is that I forgot to square my line residual standard deviation. So that's the main error that I made in finding my final answer.